So next topic, average speed. Average speed. So average speed represented with C bar. Average speed represented with C bar. So C bar equal to, we can write, already we know that what is the Maxwell distribution equation. So Maxwell distribution equation equal to 4 pi n m by 2 pi kt whole power 3 by 2 e power minus mc square by 2 kt into c square into dc. So here I am writing C bar equal to integration 0 to infinity dn c bar into c by n equal to, so dn c bar means here we have to write Maxwell distribution equation. So integration 0 to infinity 4 pi n 4 pi n m by 2 pi kt m by 2 pi kt whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2 e power minus mc square by 2 kt e power minus mc square by 2 kt into c square into dc by n by n. So from this equation we can write 4 pi into b by pi whole power 3 by 2 integration 0 to infinity c cube e power minus b c square into dc. Next from this equation 4 pi into b by pi whole power 3 by 2 1 by 2 b square. So under root of 4 by pi b equal to under root of 8 kt by pi m. So this value we can write 1.59 under root of kt by m. So this is the average speed. So average speed, how do we get it? That means C bar equal to integration of Maxwell distribution equation by n. So here we have to integrate this equation by n, divide with n. So when we integrate and divide with n, we get 1.59 under root of kt by m. So before that equation, we get under root of 8 kt by m. So here we get 4 by 5b. When we substitute b value equal to m by kt. B value equal to m by kt. So substitute that value, we get root 8 value 1.59, remaining value under root of kt by m. Sorry, root 8 by pi value 1.59, remaining under root of kt by m. So here I am writing C bar equal to 1.59 under root of kt by m. Next, so after average speed, most probable speed, most probable speed. Most probable speed. Most probable speed. So most probable speed indicates with C suffix p. C suffix p. So C suffix p equal to, we can write dn c bar by dc equal to 0. So here Maxwell distribution equation differentiate with respect to c. Differentiate with respect to c. So here what is the Maxwell distribution equation? dn c bar by dc equal to, what is the 4 pi n m by 2 pi kt whole power 3 by 2 e power minus mc square by 2 kt into c square into dc. So when we differentiate with respect to c, we get m c suffix p square by kt equal to c, or c suffix p square equal to 2 kt by m, or c suffix p equal to under root of 2 kt by m, or root 2 value 1.41 under root of kt by m. So what is the c suffix p value? C suffix p equal to 1.41 under root of kt by m. So C bar average speed, probability speed. Average speed how to get? When we integration, here differentiation of Maxwell distribution equation. Of Maxwell distribution equation. Next, third one, RMS speed. Third one, RMS speed. RMS speed means square of mean speed. Square of mean speed. RMS speed represented with c bar square whole power 1 by 2 or c RMS. So this is how to get c bar square equal to 1 by n integration 0 to infinity dnc into c square. So integrate Maxwell distribution equation and multiply with c square and divide with 1 by n. So c bar square equal to 1 by n integration 0 to infinity. What is the Maxwell distribution equation? Again 4 pi n m by 2 pi kt whole power 3 by 2 into e power minus mc square by 2 kt into c square c power 4 into dc. So when we integrate this equation, we get c RMS equal to under root of c bar square equal to under root of 3 kt by m. So c RMS equal to 1.73 under root of kt by m. Under root of kt by m. So here RMS equal to 1.73 under root of kt by m. So here we are getting three speeds. One is average speed and second one is probability speed and third one is RMS speed. Next, the relation between three speeds, C bar and CP and RMS. So what is the relation between these three values means? What is the C bar? C bar equal to 1.59 under root of kt by f. And C suffix P, probability speed, 1.41 under root of kt by f. And fourth one, C RMS. So C RMS equal to 1.73 under root of kt by f. So these are the three values. So the relation between any two values we can write. So C bar by C RMS. C bar by C RMS. So 1.59 under root of kt by m by C RMS means 1.73 under root of kt by f equal to, we can write 1.59 by 1.73 equal to 0.921. Okay, next. So here from this equation, C bar equal to, we can write 0.921 into C RMS. Okay. Next, CP by CRMS equal to, what is the CP? 1.41 under root of kt by m by CRMS 1.73 under root of kt by m. So 1.41 by 1.73 equal to 0.817. 0.817. So CP equal to, we can write 0.817 into CRMS. So above relation we can write C RMS greater than C bar greater than C suffix P. For a gas, any temperature. For a gas, for any temperature. Next, R, another relation, C RMS east, C bar east, CP equal to 1.73 east, 1.59 east, 1.41. Or we can write another relation, C RMS east, C bar east, CP equal to 1 east, 0.921, 0.921 east, 0.817. So this is the relation between C bar, CP and CRMS. C bar, CP, CRMS. So what is the C bar? Average speed. What is the CP? Probability speed. Next, what is the CRMS? Square mean speed. So first we have to calculate that speeds, and after we have to relation between C bar, CP, CRMS. Okay, how to get these speeds? We have to integrate and we have to differentiation of the Maxwell distribution equation. So first of all, what is the Maxwell distribution equation? 4 pi n m by 2 pi kt whole power 3 by 2 into e power minus mc square by 2 kt into c square into dc.